everyone, I'm Vishal from Pocket Coder, and today I'm really excited to unbox a product. It was my second YouTube gadget, and I'm really excited to unbox this. It was a tripod, and it's a kind of basic tripod. Like I paid around 839 rupees for this tripod, and I know it's cheap, but as it's my first gadget, I'm really excited. So let's begin.
So guys, just for your info, I bought this from Amazon.in and I'm cutting this box with this knife. I don't have a knife and therefore I'm unboxing this with this blade. I know it looks kinda weird and it looks like even my blade doesn't have that much sharpness to cut this box. So the packaging looks really bad. As you can see here, the box is almost teared off. Here is the mention of Simpex 333. So it has a packet. Um, yes, it's the packet. The packet looks nice. Here is another plastic, and inside the plastic we have our tripod. So it has a water level here. And at the height of this is around 1 feet and 8 inch, I think. The build quality is it's made by aluminum. At the bottom you have a plastic cover here and here, all the legs. At the head of the tripod, almost everything is made by plastic except some screws like here and here. The handle, I think, yes, the handle of this tripod is made by it looks like steel. I don't know. So let's unfold this and let's see how's this. The tripod is really lightweight. The build quality, it feels flimsy, but it does the job. It has 3-axis panning, and the panning is not the smoothest, but as a budget tripod, it's fairly nice. I'm giving you some pan shots which I made using this tripod. The clips of the legs are just okay, there is nothing extraordinary. The main con of this tripod is probably its legs. Though it's made out of aluminum, but they are really thin. It feels like it will be broken if I give some pressure. The second con of this tripod is obviously its height. Though this is probably the tallest tripod available in this price range, but as I am around 6 feet tall, it always cut my head when I make a moderate distance to a tripod. So this was my review of the Simpex 333 tripod. I hope it will help you. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.